喺緬甸唔同嘅地方都可以揾到木偶嘅足跡，因為提線木偶可以話係緬甸嘅國粹。相傳早喺4世紀嘅緬甸，提線木偶已經係宮廷嘅娛樂，後來就喺民間流傳起嚟啦，越嚟越受歡迎。想認識更多，就要同我一齊入嚟呢一間木偶店度參觀一下啦。明㗎啦吧？
明㗎啦吧？
好開心咧，嚟到呢一度咧，真係見到一啲我最中意嘅嘢，就係木偶啦。真係用木頭做嘅一啲嘅公仔啊！喺呢度咧聞到好香嘅味道，因為所有嘅公仔咧唔單止要用木做喎，全部咧都係用柚木做成嘅喎。These puppets are made out of teak wood, right?
Yeah.
Very special, huh?
Yeah.
This actually is a very cute puppet, yeah? And it's a horse. 呢啲木偶用成10幾條線嚟控制佢哋嘅動作，所以出到嚟嘅效果就特別靈活。Amazing! And here I have got a baby. 呢隻未整起嘅，因為未有耳仔嘅。
第3場嘅賽事咧，
靜啲啦你。各位喺呢個時候就同大家介紹緬甸嘅 superhero， 就係 Man with a Stick。呢個男士咧揸住支棍嘅。
He can fly on the sky.
He can fly?
Yeah.
Wow! And how come he is holding a stick?
Yeah.
What is that stick?
He create the magic. He create the medicine.
即係佢揸住支棍咧，係可以咧變呢啲藥出嚟嘅。So he is not going to fight.
No.
He never fight.
Never fight. Yeah.
哦，原來咧佢唔係一個戰士嚟嘅。我哋好多時候睇到啲木偶戲咧，即係有好多咧嗰啲戰士啊咁樣樣。佢原來唔係啊，佢係一個醫生嚟嘅，係一個神醫嚟嘅。嗰支棍咧咁搖下咧，就可以整到啲藥出嚟咧，就可以咧就係即係濟世啊、懸壺濟世啊咁樣行醫嘅。佢就係緬甸嘅超級英雄神醫蘇芝，十分之受歡迎㗎。你睇下，大大細細都有喎，不如睇下佢表演啊！Magic！ Go！ Fly！ 既然佢係一個超級英雄，背後一定係有一個講咗你都唔信嘅神仙故事啦。傳說就話佢咧去到有一個山嗰度，見到有棵樹，嗰棵樹好靚噶，佢就攞呢一支棍一指埋去，就將呢棵樹變咗一個女士，後來就做咗佢嘅太太啦。呢個傳說都幾浪漫噶喎。
唔係淨係 Harry 哥哥會介紹嘅，我都會介紹嘅。呢位係我嘅好朋友，佢個名叫 B 頭。Hello B 頭，同大家 say hi 啊！哎呀喂，你未着衫啊？喂，sorry。